I'm not eating as much. I want to get back. Sorry. Busy. Excuse me. Oh, here's sneezes. This is how you know I'm getting full. I have to blow my nose. Hold on. Finally got some more sneezes for you guys. Somebody's been asking for them.
Água. Ai. Será que ela adulteraria a minha máscara?
Talvez pra você não ser controlada, sei lá.
É porque não... É. Oh my god, bro.
Fuck off. Fuck off.
That Tom rolled himself into the pillow, but a medical examiner showed any sort of doubt that he had that in your conditions.
I think I'm gonna sneeze. Achoo! 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 Okay, I usually sneeze when I put perfume on. That's why I was filming, but all of a sudden, the sneeze just came over. Let's see if I sneeze again. That went, sneeze again. Achoo! What? Huh? Achoo! I think I'm done.
¿Estás bien?
Oh. What? Here. Anaphylactic. Thing that stops it. I've tried everything. Saúde. Saúde.
ขนาดประมาณเนี้ยแต่ว่าใน1 หลอดแน่นมากแน่นมาก
ไม่ใช่คือติดบาร์420 บาท
ก็สมควร
แถม
ก็คือ
It's cold. If I'm not... I'm sorry, guys. Bless me. I'm not answering your questions. I'm not trying to not answer them. I just... Sorry, if I'm putting my nose here, my finger on my nose, I'm about to sneeze. Oh my gosh, I'm sorry, guys. Bless me. If I'm not responding to your questions, I'm not trying to be rude or like ignore them. I just don't see them, or they like go up too fast, you know? Oh my gosh. Oh, I don't know why I keep sneezing, guys. It's on the tip of my nose. I can feel it happening. I don't like this feeling. Oh! Yeah, I don't know. Oh! We got him! Oh, now I can't stop sneezing. Oh. Okay, thanks guys. We got there. That was a team effort, that one. High five. Oh, I sneezed. Pockets, I need to sneeze. Excuse me. So, just sneeze right into the orange. You see, as you can see, I have some cat allergies. Excuse me. But I'm eating these, so yeah. Excuse me. Excuse me.